Welcome back to the channel. So, this is my wife's 2023 Nightster special. You know, with this thing, it is a pretty quick little bike. If you haven't test driven one, I would highly recommend it. So, this is the stock configuration. She wants to do new handlebars, so that's going to be coming up soon. So, we're just going to take a look at the stock setup right now. That way, before she gets the new bars, you'll see the before and after. Headlights, LED blinkers, very nice. So today's project, we're going to be putting on the sissy bar, which is right over there, getting ready to go. So we got the sissy bar and the different shifter peg. So that's the stock one. That's the one we're going to be removing and replacing. So I'm going to be changing that out. Alrighty, so here's the parts that we're going to be installing on the 2023 Nightster Special. Man, isn't that just sharp right there? I do like that millwork right there. Alrighty, this is definitely got some weight to it, so I'm trying not to scratch or dent the countertop here. So that's what the sissy bar looks like. We'll lay that guy down. And this is that back pad. So this is what it's going to look like a little bit. I'll set that right there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So that's the part number for the back pad. That's the part number for the sissy bar. This is your spool set that you'll be getting. You get two of them, so you get the bolts and the spools. And you get some little plastic clips. And that's the part number for those. My wife also wanted a different shifter peg because the one original is a little small and it hurts the top of her foot. So, and she misses it every once in a while. She wanted something a little bit bigger. So it's got a nice little rubber pad onto it. So we're gonna try that out. You also get the longer bolt. So we're gonna try that. And that's the part number for that one. All right. So that's everything laid out. Let's go install these. Alrighty, this is what the bike looks like, all set and done. Got our shifter peg installed, looking good. Got the sissy bar, looking pretty sharp. Docking hardware is installed. For reference, that's where my T kind of lines up on top. And it rests right up against the tower there. Got that clean Harley logo on the back. Looks like from the back. I think it's a nice little install. Makes the bike look a little bit nicer. Till next time.